How to create a survey in SurveyMonkey. So first, go to SurveyMonkey and then open your account. Once you've done that, you just need to click on Create Survey here at the top right. Now after that, you just need to, let's say whether you start from scratch or build with AI. But for this example, I just want to pick a template. So just click on Pick a popular template. Now here, just pick one of the templates here. So let's say I want to pick this one. Click on it, and then look at the template. If you're satisfied with that, just click on Use this template here. Now from here, you can already customize the template from here. So let's say you're done customizing it. Just preview it first, of course, to make sure that everything is all right. So let's say that you already made sure that everything is ready. So just click on continue here at the bottom. Okay, now from here, just click on send surveys your way. Then you can choose the options how you can send the survey. So let's say, for example, I want to share a survey via link. Click on this one, and then of course here you need to choose a plan to send your survey, and just close this. And since I don't have a plan, I can't really send the survey. But as you can see, that's it. After you're done making your survey, just to check, let's go to home, and there you go. This is a draft of the survey that we just created. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.